Does your Samsung phone or tablet display a moisture detected error? This is most likely due to the charging port having water or liquid in it. It's as simple as drying your gadget. After wiping it dry with a towel, you may leave your phone at room temperature for a few hours to let the water drain. However, if it doesn't work, you'll need to try some other methods. If standard drying does not work, you may try the various methods described in this troubleshooting guide. Wet devices account for the vast majority of moisture detections. If you live in a humid area, or if your gadget is likely to be exposed to water or moisture, you should take steps to dry it out. Even just a tiny bit of moisture in the port might cause this error and prevent charging. You might begin by cleaning the item with a clean, soft towel to remove any remaining moisture. It's possible that the problem is caused by water getting into the port, so try gently shaking the phone to remove the water. If you use the gadget in a pool or ocean, this is required. There are two straightforward, if inefficient, methods to remove moisture from your phone if wiping and shaking it did not help. If you have the time, we recommend that you give these methods a go. Uncooked rice is the first method. Rice should be used to cover the gadget once it has been wiped clean. To bury the gadget, cover it completely with uncooked rice. Then, leave it there for at least 40 hours or more. Rice should be able to absorb the liquid from the port in this amount of time. It's important to keep the container sealed throughout this operation. Instead of rice, try using several packages of silica gel. Silica gel may be purchased at a local craft shop. This is a better method for drying off your phone after it has been exposed to water. For the second time, seal the container before putting the device inside for at least 48 hours. To get expert assistance if you don't have time to try the cures or if the mistake persists even after drying it, you can. A phone that has been submerged in water should be sent to an electronics repair shop to be dried out for you. They can speed up the drying process and verify the charging port state by using a specialized tool. Moisture detected error may also be caused by damage to the charging port in rare situations. Using a magnifying glass, you may check the port for any obvious damage to the connections within. If you know for sure that your equipment has never been exposed to water or liquid, this may be relevant. If you are not cautious while inserting or removing the charging wire, you might harm the charging port. If the cable wiggles too much when charging, there may be a problem with the port's hardware. Users of Samsung Galaxy devices have had success shutting off their devices while charging in order to resolve the moisture detected issue. If you haven't given it a go yet, now is the time. Let the phone charge for at least 30 minutes before using it again. Turn it back on and use it normally thereafter. There is a good chance that the problem is transient and was caused by a software fault if the error doesn't reappear. If you're unable to charge your device because it keeps showing the moisture detected error, consider using a wireless charger if your phone has a wireless charging capability. Only while using a wired cable charger will you see the moisture detection error. Try wireless charging instead if you have a phone that is capable of it. This is a viable option to keep the gadget functional while you search for a long-term fix. Even after following this guide's suggestions, moisture detection errors may remain in certain circumstances. This might be an indication of a problem with the device's internal hardware. You'll need Samsung's assistance to repair the phone. To learn about your repair choices, speak with a Samsung Service Center representative in your area. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making sure that Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.